Okay, boys and girls, with us not being in school for the next few days, Miss Burge and I have come together and created a few lessons that you can work on at home. The first lesson we're going to teach is lesson 1, multiplying a fraction by a whole number. As we've talked about in class, this multiplication symbol actually means groups of. So for example, 3 times 4 is the same as 3 groups of 4, which would be 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is the same as 12. We can use the same property when we're adding fractions. So for example, if you look over here, we have 5 groups of 8. We would write that as a multiplication sentence as 5 groups of 1/8. This is the same as 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, which if you add them together equals 5/8. Let's try another one. Over here you'll see we have 1, 2, 3 groups. 3 groups of, this is 2/4, this is 2/4, and this is 2/4. So we have 3 groups of 2/4. Writing this as an addition sentence, we would say this is 2/4 plus 2/4 plus 2/4, which if we add them together equals 6/4, or also 1 whole and 2/4. Now, you may notice that when we are multiplying a whole number times fractions, if we multiply the whole number times the numerator, we would get 6. The denominator stays the same, so we get 6/4. So we have 2 different strategies. We can do repeated addition, or you can multiply the whole number times the numerator, and the denominator stays the same. Let's try one more. Over here, we have 2 groups of, this is 3/5 and this is 3/5. We have 2 groups of 3/5. Repeated addition, I would write this as 3/5 plus 3/5 added together equals 6/5. Using the second strategy, we can multiply the whole number times the numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6. The denominator stays the same. And just like with repeated addition, we get 6/5. Really can use either strategy, whichever strategy feels comfortable for you. So for your first assignment, we are going to be posting some multiplying fractions task cards. You can practice at home. The answers will be at the bottom of the task card, so you can check your answers and see how you do. We'll post another link to lesson 2 shortly.